Hello friends, Rai Shikshan Samstha Satara, conducted by Rose Project 2021-2022, Standard 11th Science, Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science Satara. Standard 11th, Subject Biology, Topic 10, Animal Tissue. Let us start. Animal tissue. In them, muscular tissue. Last time, we have seen connective tissue, and now we are going to study muscular tissue. Muscular tissue, that is, it contains muscles, fibers, muscle cells, hence the name muscular tissue. Remember, observe the diagram. These cells are elongated and they are known as muscle fibers. Components of the muscular tissues, muscle fibers or cells. Then there are types of muscular tissue. Number 1, skeletal muscles. These muscles are attached to bones, hence the name skeletal muscles. Attached to bones, hence the name skeletal muscles. They are also known as striated muscles because they show striations. Dark and light bands are there. Each muscle fiber or cell is syncytial, that is contains number of nuclei, several nuclei. The cell membrane is known as sarcolemma. That is, these are covered by a sarcolemma. Sarcolemma. Cytoplasm is known as sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm. Remember, observe the diagram. Muscular tissue, in them skeletal muscles attached to bones, hence the name. Remember, sarcoplasm, nucleus sarcolemma. Sarcoplasm contains large number of parallel arranged myofibrils. Hence, nuclei get shifted to periphery. They contain myofibrils and hence nuclei at the periphery. Each myofibril is made up of repeated functional units called as sarcomeres. They contain sarcomeres. It is the functional unit. Each sarcomere has a dark band known as anisotropic, that is A band, in the center. In the center of A band, a light band or light area called as H zone or Hensen zone. H zone or Hensen zone. Remember, in the center of H zone, there is M line. Remember, M line. A bands are made up of myosin as well as actin. A band contains myosin as well as actin. On either side of A band are light bands known as isotropic or I bands that contain only actin. I bands contain only actin. Myosin are thick and dark color, while actin filaments are thin and light colored. Thin and light color. Remember, actin and myosin. Adjacent light bands are separated by Z line. Adjacent light bands are separated by Z line. Skeletal muscles shows a quick and strong voluntary contractions, and they undergo fatigue. Their contractions are very fast and strong, so that undergo fatigue. Remember, they functions as voluntary movements. Number 2, smooth or non-striated muscles. Why they are known as non-striated? Because striations are absent. These muscles are present in the form of sheets or layers. Each muscle cell is spindle-shaped structure. Observe the diagram or fusiform structure. The fibers are unbranched, having a single nucleus. They contain single nucleus. At the center, sarcoplasm contains myofibrils. Sarcoplasm contains myofibrils. Remember, myofibrils are there. Remember sarcoplasm around the nucleus. These are spindle-shaped structures. Striations are completely lack or absent. And hence the name non-striated. They are smooth muscles. They are non-skeletal muscle. They are not attached to bones. And they are involuntary action. Their contractions are slow and prolonged so that they do not undergo fatigue. They are present in the visceral organs, blood vessels, in the urinary bladder. Remember, location of the non-striated muscles. That is, they are known as smooth, non-striated, involuntary, visceral muscles. Remember, non-striated muscle fibers. They are involuntary action. Number third, cardiac muscles. Why they are known as cardiac muscles? They are present in the wall of the heart. Remember, when we observe the diagram carefully, it is the combination of both striated as well as non-striated muscle fibers. It shows branched structures, cylindrical structures. Sarcolemma is not distinct. And uninucleate muscle fibers appears to be multinucleate. This shows a special feature, characteristic feature, that is intercalated disc present between them, and they separate the adjacent cells. They having a branched appearance. Observe in diagram. They show faint striations, and hence it is the combination of both striated as well as non-striated. It is covered by sarcolemma, and it contains nucleus and sarcoplasm. Remember, all of this muscular tissue. Then coming to the point, nervous tissue. The fourth tissue is nervous tissue. Going to detail. Nervous tissue is composed of nerve cells or neurons and neuroglia. Remember, it is composed of nerve cells or neurons and neuroglia. Remember, observe the diagram of nerve cell. This is nerve cell. Nerve cell or neuron is structural and functional unit of nervous system. Structural and functional unit of nervous system. Remember, neuron is an impulse generating and impulse conducting unit. It is impulse generating and impulse conducting unit. It shows following structure. They brings about quick communication within the body. They carry the impulses. A neuron is made up of cyton or cell body. Observe the diagram. Cell body or cyton. It contains nucleus at the center. Around the nucleus, presence of cytoplasm is known as neuroplasm. It shows axon, elongated part, and ends to terminal, axon terminal. It contains granular cytoplasm called as neuroplasm and centrally placed nucleus. Dendrons are short branched process. arises from the cyton. These are fine branches, and these branches are known as dendrites. Remember dendrites. They carry the impulse towards the cyton. Observe the diagram, cyton and axon. An axon is single elongated cylindrical process. Axon is single elongated cylindrical process. Outer covering of myelin sheath is neurilemma. Covering is myelin sheath, and it is nothing but neurilemma. Remember, myelin sheath and neurilemma are parts of the another cell known as Schwann cell. Schwann cell, remember. The myelin sheath is absent at intervals along the axon, and the place is known as node of Ranvier. What is meant by node of Ranvier? The myelin sheath is absent at intervals along the axon, known as node of Ranvier. Based on their functions, they are classified into three types. Number one, afferent neuron. It carries impulses from sense organs to central nervous system, CNS. Hence, it is also called sensory neuron. It is found in dorsal root of spinal cord. Afferent neuron carry the impulses from sense organs to the CNS. Remember, sensory neuron is afferent neuron. Second, efferent neuron. It carries impulses from CNS to effector organ. Hence, it is called as motor neuron. It is found in ventral root of spinal cord. It is found in ventral root of spinal cord. Remember, carry the impulse from central nervous system to effector organ. It is motor neuron. Third one, interneuron or association neuron. These are located between sensory and motor neurons. These perform the processing, integration of the sensory impulses, and activate the appropriate motor neuron to generate motor impulse. Remember, interneuron or association neuron. It is located between the sensory and motor neurons. Depending upon the presence or absence of myelin sheath, neurons are classified into two types. Number one, myelinated nerve fiber, and second, non-myelinated nerve fiber. Number one, myelinated nerve fiber. Observe the diagram. Medullated nerve fibers have a insulating fatty layer called as myelin sheath around the axon. Around the axon, myelin sheath is present, and hence the name myelinated, medullated. And non-myelinated means what? Non-myelinated, it is also called as non-medullated nerve fiber, does not secrete a myelin sheath. Hence the name non-myelinated or non-medullated nerve fibers. On the basis of number of processes given out from the cyton, neurons are classified into three types. Number one, unipolar neuron. It is also called as monopolar neuron. It has a single process originating from cyton. Both axon and dendron arise from cyton at one point. It is known as unipolar. Only single process arises from cyton. Example, neurons of dorsal root ganglion of spinal nerve. Second, bipolar neuron. It has two processes. A single dendron and axon are given off from opposite poles of the cyton. Two processes arises from the cyton, dendron and axon. Example, neurons of retina of eye. Observe the diagram. Third one, multipolar neuron. Cyton is star-shaped and gives out more than two processes. There is only one axon and remaining are dendrons. Observe the diagram. Multipolar neuron, many branches given out from the cyton. Thank you. This is all about the animal tissue. What are the stops?